Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to add a new user to your WSL distribution in Windows. So adding new user to your WSL enables you to perform actions behalf of another user in WSL, which means like you will be able to manage like two different GitHub account within WSL, and there are so many things you can do. So let's see how to do that. So to add the new user to your WSL account, you need to execute this command sudo add user new username. As a new username, you can add any username you want to add for the new user. So here I am adding Ben as new username, and copy that command and paste here and hit enter on your keyboard, and it will ask you to input the password if you set any password for your WSL in Windows. So let me add my password. Okay, now it asks me to add new password for the user. If you don't want to add it, you can just skip this by hitting enter, but I'm going to add the password for this new user. And if you add any password, it will ask you to retype the same password. And after that, it will ask you to add the full name for the user. You can add any name you want. Now I'm adding username as been max, and you can skip this. If you want, you can add any number, and you can skip this as well. But if you want, you can add the phone number and home phone as well. You can skip that, and here you can add any other info if you want to add, but I'm skipping that as well. Just hit enter, and now it asks us to confirm if whether the information we added are correct or not. If you think information are correct, you can just type Y and hit enter. But if you want to do any kind of adjustment to the information you added, type N and hit enter. It will let you change the information. So now I typed Y and executed the command. So now, as you can see, it command executed successfully. So now if I want to log into the new user, what I have to do is type su username. So now previously I added username as Ben, so now I'm adding username as Ben and execute the command. So now it asks the password we added previously when creating the user. Enter the password and it will let you change your user account. But now, as you can see, the file location we are still in is the previous user's file location. To change this, what you have to do is just so to change that, what you want to do is just execute this command so that it will bring you to the home file location of this new user. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.